Hey guys, thanks for cooking with Tammy. In today's segment, we're going to be making delicious ground turkey Swedish meatballs. So without further ado guys, let's get started. So starting off with 1.5 pounds of ground turkey, I'm going to add black pepper and salt to taste, eggs, minced onions, and Italian style breadcrumbs. For this job, we have to get dirty guys, so using our trusty hands, we're going to combine all of the ingredients together. Now I know most recipes, when it comes to making Swedish meatballs, most recipes do use ground beef. However, I'm going to show you how to make it using ground turkey. If you realize that the meatballs are not molding together properly, be sure to add a small amount of breadcrumbs. Now that we have all of our meatballs molded, using a hot skillet or frying pan with oil, we're going to fry the meatballs on all sides. Even if it's not cooked all the way inside, no worries because we're going to cook it fully when we add it to the sauce. Taking the meatballs out and setting them aside. And if there's excess oil in the pan, be sure to strain it off. But using the same pan, we're going to add chicken broth, as well as heavy cream, Worcestershire sauce, and a pinch of ground mustard. Placing the meatballs back into the pan. We're going to allow everything to come together and simmer. At this time, I'm going to add the egg noodles and lower the flame to medium heat. If by any chance you realize that the noodles are not cooked all the way and the water or the liquid is drying out of the pan, feel free to add more chicken broth or even water. Stirring periodically to assure that the noodles don't stick together. Adding a good handful of chopped Italian parsley. As well as grated Parmesan cheese. At this time, we're going to turn the stovetop off. And our meal is done. As always guys, thanks for cooking with Tammy. Definitely give this recipe a try. Very delicious. And as always, don't forget to share this recipe, rate, comment, and subscribe. And most importantly guys, enjoy.